Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening like a slime blind box, and these are all what I got. I got this one, it's very cute. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Oh, they're just my dogs. And this one. Let's see what we get on this one. It's just like a little boo-boo. So satisfying. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's holding a little bunny. And then got a little bow. Oh my god, it's so cute. Its name is... Oh, here's a slime. Wait, I'm going to take it out, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. It's so fluffy. Oh my god. It's going to turn green. They're just my dogs. They're just knocking on the window. Okay. Up. Okay, put that in rubbish. Rubbish. Okay. Okay, so we're going to pour these in. Okay. There we go. Whoop. Okay. I'm going to show you after. Okay, that's what it currently looks like. Okay. And then, okay. Now we just got to wear a cute little thing. Well, no, it's not a bow. It's a hat. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put that down. Okay. So now we're going to put the label on. Okay. Oh my god, put this down there. La la la. Put it down there. And we've got ourselves a thing. And look, I collect them all. Here's a secret one. It's so cute, the secret one. Oh my god. I hope you had fun. I can't wait to put them both back again. And I just can't wait for the next one. So bye, and hope you like and subscribe. Bye.